Hey guys, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I am so glad you're here and I appreciate your support. And I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. So I put this background on here the other day and I have since found some elements that I'd like to put on here on this background. I've got her. She's a little bit too long, but I think she'll be okay. We put her about here. And then I'm going to put this desk right in front of her, and I'm going to put this little dog right here to cover up the fact that she's not going to have any feet. And this is just like a scene. It's not, I guess you could sort of call it surreal because of the background, but I'm just calling it a scene. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I could do more to it if I want at a later date, but for now this is going to be it, I think. I have actually put this background on and then realized it's going to be really hard to see most of my images of people against this background. So I did find her. I also wanted something that fit with the size of the desk, and she was my best bet. So let's get her down. I gotta remember where though. She's gotta kind of be in the middle. Okay, so let's put this here, and then I'm gonna just put her upside down, and I'm going to mark right here where I want her head to be. So that should work out pretty good, I think. Oops. So there's her head, right there to the tippy top. I'll get my little roller out. I did ink around the edges of her, but I still see a little white there. Or blue. I think it was blue, actually. Alright, now I'm going to put the desk on. This has got a lot of pieces to it, like little elements to it that can easily get wrinkled. I haven't done a collage like this in a long time. I kind of got out of the habit over the summer because it was so nice out. I wanted to be outside rather than inside making things, believe that or not. I know some people would rather be inside making things than being outside, but oops, not me. Nature's my favorite thing, and being outside when it's sunny and nice out is where I want to be. Okay, I think we're doing good. This one needs to come down a little bit. Okay, I can't believe I did that without a wrinkle. Okay, I am going to cut her feet off now and then place the dog there. Okay, I think I might have more than one page there. Yeah, I do. Okay. Oh, I have several. Okay. Let's get our dog on there without getting glue on top of him. Turn this like this. Okay. So what have you been doing? When it's nice out, would you rather be outside than inside creating things, or are you an indoors girl? Or guy, for that matter. Alright, so he is going to go right here, and I'm actually going to have to cut his paw off a little bit so that her feet are not showing, or her lack of feet are not showing, I should say. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm cutting off the bottom part of the dog. And there we go. That's it. I think it's cute. I think, I don't think there's room to add a lot more to it though. I could add words, but I'm not feeling words for this one. So I do have a mushroom made out of, it's kind of cute. I don't know. Maybe I could find a pumpkin to put on the table in the future, something like that to make it look fall, but this definitely doesn't look fallish. Anyway, that's it. And I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.